Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia, and in today's video I will be doing a teacher's gift. So it's almost the last day of school. It's actually going to be tomorrow, and I'm going to do a little gift for my kids' teacher. My little one is graduating from kindergarten and my daughter from second grade. So I'm going to do cups for them. I got this from Hobby Lobby for only $4.99. So there's two plastic cups, and I will be adding some stuff inside the cups, and I got this at Target. So I got the lavender steam shower steamers. I also got them some lip balms, so it's one for each teacher. And I got hand sanitizers and this little lotions, and I also got this straw toppers for the cups. And this one I got at Hobby Lobby, and the other items I got them at Target, except the cups. Cups got them from Hobby Lobby. And I also got this code transfer stickers from Hobby Lobby for $2.79. And this is the first time I use them, so we'll see how it looks. Hopefully I'm able to do it the correct way. And I'm just going to wrap it around the cup. So it's supposed to be looking like this. And we went to Dollar Tree. My little boy got early from school today, so I went shopping with him. I took him to Chick-fil-A, and then we went shopping. So I got this from Dollar Tree, so only $1.25. And this is going to be for my, forgot which one. I think this is for my kindergarten teacher and second grade. They're both really cute. And let me show you the inside. That's how it is. And we're just gonna write a little message. And then this one here. So let's get to it.